Okay, wait, what's your motivation for coming up the stairs?
Go in and do props.
Okay.
Props, come in.
What the fuck is this, mister?
Come in. Come on.
Mister? The ever popular. And what is that? You're upstaging me again, aren't you?
Yeah.
You fucking fuck.
It's my itinerary for Aaron.
Oh, sure.
Now this isn't going to play on
Hey, we're recording us, Leo.
on public
We're
access.
really good friends.
Yeah, oh yeah, we're best of friends.
Yeah,
no problem
we work
there.
together all the time.
Just fine.
Yes. Yeah, but we really love each other.
Yeah,
though.
oh, yeah, we like this.
Yeah, we always work together. We're good pals.
Yeah.
Good deal.
Problem.